Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Tash. Today's video is going to be on this new line of cosmetics, which is a collaboration between Mermaid, Salon and Tragic Beautiful, and it is called Evil Eye Cosmetics. So I have a little bit here to show you. Firstly, I'll show you the eyelashes. These are the Macbeth eyelashes, and I absolutely adore this packaging. They're super dramatic and can't wait to try them on. So there's a lash glue as well that looks like this. It's a clear lash glue, which is pretty cool because I haven't seen a clear lash glue in forever. Now we have two palettes. This one is a Starry Eye, which looks absolutely amazing. And if you can see them, excuse the little fingerprints. I was like really keen to swatch them to see what they look like, and yeah. The swatches are really good. I'll do a couple on my arm. Let's go with this purple here because purple is my favorite color. And that's a one stroke finger swatch, so let's try matte. So let's go with this bluey, sea foamy, greeny, whatever color you want to call it. Okay, so the real test is, for me, with a black eyeshadow. Most brands will make a black eyeshadow and call it jet black. Now, a lot of the time that is far from true. Even with layering it, it still goes grey and you can't get that intense black that you want. So let's swatch both the shimmery black and the black that looks more grey. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. That's the sort of black eyeshadow I want in my life. And then there's this one. So those are just a few swatches from this palette. So the other palette's called the Electrifeye Palette. They both come in a unicarton box type thing, slip, and the artwork on this one is gorgeous as well. Now this palette's a lot brighter for those who like bright colors. You'll probably like this. Let's go with this purple here. Maybe this green. And this red here. So they swatch beautifully again, and yeah, I can't wait to try them out today. I'm not 100% sure what sort of look I'm going to do, but let's just see what happens. As always, I am taking my favorite base and I'm just layering that down over my eyelids. As well as bringing it underneath my waterline. Okay, so I'm just gonna go colourful and go crazy with this look, because why not? I'm going to first take this bluey, greeny colour here. Then I'm going to take this hot pink here and put that next to the blue, just below my brow. Then I think I want to take this bright green and put that in my inner corners. As I said, we're going crazy with this look. So far it's looking like My Little Pony threw up on my eyes. I'm going to take this darker purpley bluey colour and put that on my outer corner. Now I'm going to take the Starry Eyed palette and take a bit of this, and I'm going to bring that across from that corner. I'm going to take some of this orange here and just dab it on the inner corners, just for a little bit more colour. I'm going to take a fluffy brush that I use to blend eyeshadows out and blend that pink out a bit. I want to add a bit of the shimmers into this, so I'm going to take that purple there. Also going to take a little bit of the black Now I'm going to take a bit of that shimmery blue and just pop that right next to that black. Taking my fluffy blending brush again and just blending that black out a bit. This colour here, and put it underneath my eyes. Going to take a black eyeliner for my waterline. Then I'm going to take a black liquid eyeliner and create a dramatic wing, because everyone knows I'm dramatic with my wing. Okay, so these are the lashes, the Macbeth lashes on, and I mean, they're just a little bit too extreme for me. I mean, like, not in a bad way, there's nothing wrong with the lashes, it's just they're not suited to my eye type. My eyes are fairly small and I've got hooded lids, so they would be nice if I was like doing some sort of cosplay where I needed extremely long lashes, but not for every day. After applying the lashes, I decided my lower lash line needed to be smoked out a bit more. So I took some black from the Starry palette and I put that underneath my eyes, taking that purple colour again and putting that with the black, blending it together. Okay, so my final thoughts on these products. I like them. I like them a lot. The eyeshadows are just as pigmented as I thought they would be, if not better. They apply easily, they blend easily. There is a little bit of fallout, but that's expected if you're doing a heavy eye look, so keep that in mind. The lashes, I'm not sure if they really suit me. However, they are gorgeous lashes and super long. I love long lashes. Yeah, the lash glue dries pretty well, but it does take a lot longer than what I'm used to, so I was like slipping and slooping my lashes everywhere. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!